Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, and I thought I'd share a little early birthday present to myself. So what I got was the Slash 4x4 Ultimate by Traxxas. This is a brushless model. It has the Pollinate system in it, speed control, and brushless motor. The brushless motor is a 3500, and it has something called the Traxxas link in it as well, which is really cool. What it does is it shares in real time your speed and data within the car, which that's pretty cool. Now, what this car comes with is basically all the upgrades that you could get for a Slash 4x4 by Traxxas. It comes with, like I say, the Pollinate brushless power system, a torque control slipper clutch, an extruded aluminum drive shaft, and Metal Gear digital servos. It does come with a low center of gravity chassis, and the battery actually sits down a little bit lower than the drive shaft. This has what they call the pro level performance, and this has all of the upgrades that you can pretty much get, like I said earlier. You have your aluminum C-hubs and steering blocks. You have your extreme heavy-duty drive shafts. You've got front and rear sway bars. And you have some blue anodized shocks and aluminum wheel nuts. I do believe the car has ball bearings throughout in all of the hubs. So, now that we've talked about it, let's open this bad boy up. I got this shipped to me, and as you notice, it comes completely sealed from the factory. This came shipped factory direct from Traxxas. Very nicely sealed, heat sealed. All right, I've taken all of this plastic off, and you'll notice that it does come from the factory, taped shut with its factory seal. So that is the factory seal. Let's go ahead and bust this factory seal. Exciting. I love opening new RC cars. It's one of my favorite things to do. Oh, and look at that. I happen to open it on the remote control side. So, if you open the box on the side with the two pictures of the car on it, that will be your remote control side. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll take the remote control out there. And there is your TQ Top Qualifier 1 Traxxas 2.4 gigahertz. And I believe that's a digital transmitter. I'm taking out the styrofoam, and I noticed that I need to shift the car this way, orientate it that way, and we have the car orientated correctly. And as you see, I've pulled out the styrofoam that held the transmitter. And now it looks like all we got to do is pull her on out. Oh man, it's like bringing out a new car from the garage. And you notice I did go with the green Pro graphics. So we'll wheel her out here. And this is how she comes out of the box. Okay, so we'll go ahead and set that on the table there. Oh gosh, I love it. The smell of a new car. It's beautiful. Simply rolled the car out and just set it aside. I haven't taken any of the plastics off. Now, what you find inside is your user guide, your toolkit. So we'll put that aside. And then if you look down in the box, that's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this bag of goodies here. It is heat sealed, and I will show you what's inside the bag. All right, I have the baggie opened up. Let's take a look what's inside. Here we have the body clips. It looks like a foam block and another little foam pad there with some adhesive tape on the back. We have a pinion gear, an optional pinion gear here, which is nice because they did give a second gear ratio. I noticed that on the box, that they don't just give you one gear ratio, they give you 2 gear ratios, and I should show that as well. They do give you a guide for what they call the fun zone and the top speed zone. Well, you know me, I'm going to be heading up towards that top speed zone. And the difference is the pinion spur gear combination along with your battery. So the fun zone would be 35 to 40 plus, and that would be using a 7-cell nickel metal hydride with these gear setups. And this is the factory default that comes in it. This would be the optional setup that they give you. It comes stock with the 13 tooth, and they give you that optional 18 tooth. There is your 18 tooth pinion gear. The next thing we'll pull out of the little baggie is our toolkit. It comes with 3 different hex or Allen wrenches, 2 regular wrenches, and 2 box wrenches, a small and a large box wrench. The next thing we pull out is the warranty registration card. Then of course, your stickers. We love our stickers. We have the TQ Performance Guide, which would be your manual to your TQ transmitter, along with that Traxxas link. I'll be downloading that for sure. That is definitely a cool feature. Then we have our manual to the Slash 4x4 Ultimate. Okay, last but not least, what we have in here looks to be a Traxxas auto battery identification, charger, battery information, and a quick start guide. Now that's what we were looking for. So here's your quick start guide. Gives you all the information about your Traxxas Slash 4x4 Ultimate, how to hook up the battery, all those goodies. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful car here. And there's your nice green Pro Graphics body there. Now that we've got the body off, we can see all of those upgrades, those nice blue anodized shocks, the aluminum turnbuckles, and steering arms. Even got blue anodized wheel nuts. Very nice car. It's got a little easy set tips here. You got to turn on the low voltage detector when you go with lipos. And look, because it's got this new digital receiver, it doesn't even need a long antenna. This car is just beautiful. So I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys so you could see this beautiful Slash Ultimate 4x4 and how it looks coming fresh out of a box. We'll get this bad boy out on the track real soon. So with that, guys, I just want to remind you to always keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.